guys, as you can see, that Powerforce worked very well. I'm truly impressed with it. Just so that you guys know, it is an alkaline based formula, and it's meant to compete against a very good and very strong contender in the Degreaser world, which is Blixum. That is a very good product as well. Also very high pH, very alkaline based product as well. So this Powerforce will compete against that specific product. Obviously there's also other, I think, what's his name, Prepsol, if I'm not mistaken, is also a very good Degreaser. I don't think it's as strong as the Blixum and as the Powerforce. The nice thing about the Powerforce as well is that it runs off quite nicely, leaves absolutely no residue. And on that well pan of mine, there was a lot of dirt that was a little bit, it was actually burnt on. So if I gone in with, let's say, like steel wool or some type of scouter, I could have definitely taken off everything. But I just wanted to show you guys, and I mean, if I look at it, I maybe removed about 95% of all the dirt. I'll chase a little bit more of the others with the scouter, but just using a soft detailing brush. And a lot of dirt, a lot of, obviously remember there was a lot of oil and water that mixed with with this engine. So, and a lot of the heat and everything, and all the muck that's just burnt onto the actual oil pan. There's quite a lot for it to do to take away everything. So I think it's an excellent product to have, especially if you want to do some deep cleaning. For general usage around the house and around the car, there are dilution ratios. I would definitely recommend that you adhere to those dilution ratios, because using it neat, it's very strong. And like, let's say you want to do carpet cleaning, or let's say you want to clean, deep clean the rims or engine bays and stuff, I wouldn't recommend using it neat there. You don't know how thin or how corroded things are, and you don't want to be in a situation where you remove any protective layer, you don't discolor anything. So just make sure, if you're going to be using it on general cleaning, make use of the dilution ratios, which is at the back of the bottle. But for like cleaning in a situation like deep cleaning, stuff like this, using it neat is definitely the way to go. But yeah, that's it for me. Let me know what you guys think about this. It is quite new in the market, so it will obviously make its way generally into the market for you guys to use. I just figured I would show you guys how it works based on my application with cleaning out the oil pan on the 320D, the N47. So if you haven't seen that video or the playlist, if you click up there in the corner, I've actually made a playlist with regards to all the stuff that I've done on that car. We're going to be rebuilding the motor very soon, so I'm quite excited about that. So you're going to want to stay tuned and actually see exactly everything that I'm doing there. I've just uploaded another video where I actually stripped down the block and I took out everything. And so now we're going to move all the stuff into the new second-hand block, like Matt Armstrong likes to say. So quite a lot to come on that video. So yeah, as always guys, if you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up. As always, also subscribe and like if you've enjoyed this. And most importantly, to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.